first thing you will want to do is to set up the table. You will want to refer to the instruction manual regarding the table. You will then want to place the machine onto the table securely. Make sure that when you're holding onto the machine, you're holding on to the throat of the machine and not anywhere near where the needle is. Once the machine is secure on the platform, you will then want to install the built-in stitch regulator table insert. You will now want to slide the insert through the channel located on the sides of the machine, making sure that the cables run within the channels. You will see that it's a perfect fit between the table and your machine. On the underside of the insert, there are two knobs. These can be tightened or loosened when needed. These two little squares are the stitch regulation sensors. You will want to remove the protective film that is on top of the stitch regulator sensors. To attach the color touchscreen display to the machine, you will want to use your 3mm Allen wrench and tighten the two bolts located at the bottom of the display. You will also want to attach the USB cable first to the machine and then to the display. Using the same 3 Allen wrench, you will loosen the two screws that are located on the left-hand side of the machine and slip the thread mast into the screws. You will then use the Allen wrench and tighten the screws. Now you need to connect the insert to the machine and connect the foot pedal to the insert connector. You will then take the power cord, first connect it to the machine, and then you will connect it to the wall.